Tally Prime Secrets You Did Not Know. Hello friends, all businessmen and accounting professionals. With this video, I am starting a new series nicknamed Tally Masti. Here, I describe something unknown and unheard of. Hush hush type contrarian views and conversation which no one talk about in public but is inherent and embedded in our heart. If you are interested, continue watching till the end. Write your views and subscribe to the channel so that future episodes reach you instantly. I will continue to contribute more episodes in the series. If you do not like, you may stop the video here. In the early 1980s, when small desktop computers started becoming popular in the business community, many small organizations began maintaining parallel sets of accounts. One set was prepared for internal use, while another set, nicknamed designer accounts, was submitted to statutory authorities after certain manipulations to reduce tax liabilities and reap some benefits. Manual accounting records were comparatively difficult to alter without leaving visible signs. However, digital records could be overwritten, modified, or deleted more easily, often without creating suspicion. The genesis of designer accounts and digital manipulation. Many business owners approached software developers and accounting software consultants to help them design customized accounts according to their specific plan. Some even wanted designer accounts, a new term then coined by business community to present different financial pictures of their business. Certain accounting software systems, including early versions of Tally-based setups, allowed unusual flexibility through shortcuts, procedures, and operating methods that made modification of records quite easier to create manipulated designer accounts without leaving suspicious trace or audit trail. Such trends created huge market demands to get reverse engineered accounts and consultants to do that for their appropriate service fees. I started accounting software development and implementation around 1980s. I reminisce the scenario of nascent computerization of accounting systems sprouting up around that time. Here is an excerpt of dramatized conversations that I normally used to have with my new and prospective clients.
But by that, the whole account may get disturbed. Discrepancy might prop up. Insertion, deletion of voucher would disturb the voucher number sequence that would draw suspicion.
That is good question. But Tally has introduced many hidden tricks for that. We will take cafe of everything. The modified accounts would look genuine, exactly as you asked for, yet tallied everywhere.
How can the stock values be adjusted?
There are tricks to play with valuation methods to align with desired stock values. Stock values may be assigned linked with inventory. Stock valuation methods can be realigned to impact profit figures significantly. You may internally adjust the stock quantity to reduce or increase stock value in clean, transparent manner.
Can expenses be increased to reduce profit?
I have already covered that. Entries may be selectively modified, inserted, or deleted. Reports may show different figures.
Will the software show who changed the data or what is changed?
It is up to you whether you intend to or not. System can be configured as you like.
Can old entries be overwritten?
Yes, rather Tally offers significant ease to modify data.
Is this a common practice in small businesses?
Yes, we regularly get numerous inquiries. Yes, many businessmen are doing it and their accounts have been cleared with auditors and statutory authorities.
It gives some confidence from your words.
It is comparatively simple for small proprietorship organization and personal accounts. We each have sole control on accounts.
Will auditors easily detect such changes?
You need to create supporting documents as per the entries in the books. That is your responsibility. Do modify only in selective. You need to plan and review what to change and discuss. We will advise the right way, what can be done and what cannot be done.
Okay, but I need to fully understand. how such modifications can be done, and how it will impact the accounts.
Okay, keep watching the series. You will get to know each of the tricks.